Who's the kid, man?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Hey. What's going on?
Bruce, are you sure you don't know this kid, man?
I really don't know.
What's his name, man?
What language is that?
Oh, yeah.
Hey. What are you doing?
What are you doing, kid? We're watching that.
Yeah. Not cool. Are you? No.
Kid, what do you think you're doing? We are watching the game, kid.
Unbelievable. Oh, I can't believe he just. Who are you? What?
The cat!
It's always good to crochet something for the one you love. You can make a hat, make a vest, and choose whatever color you want.
What the fuck, cat? Not you too. What's going on? I just want to watch the game.
The color is good to use. It's easy to match with your clothes.
I really want to learn how to crochet.
Very easy to do it.